Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with Anjali. Today I have a huge opportunity for all the aspiring software engineers out there. Google is hiring software engineers across multiple locations in India, and you actually get to choose your preferred location while applying. The available locations include Bengaluru, Gurugram, Hyderabad, Mumbai, and Pune. So, if you've ever dreamed of working at Google, this is something you should definitely not miss. To apply for this role, you need to have a bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience. Google is looking for candidates who have worked with Unix or Linux environments, distributed systems, machine learning concepts, information retrieval, and basic networking like TCP/IP. You should also be comfortable programming in languages like C, C++, Java, or Python. If you have a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or computer engineering, that's even better. Now, let's talk about what this job actually involves. Google's software engineers build the next-generation technologies that billions of people use every single day. The job goes far beyond web search. You'll work on areas like distributed computing, large-scale systems, AI, natural language processing, data storage, networking, and even UI design or mobile applications. You'll be assigned to a project that is critical to Google's current needs, and as you grow, you'll have the flexibility to switch teams and explore different products. Google specifically looks for engineers who are versatile, fast learners, and ready to solve new and challenging problems across the entire tech stack. As part of a small and dynamic team, you'll be designing, testing, deploying, and maintaining software solutions. Google engineers have the chance to work on everything from YouTube, Android, Google Ads, and Chrome to completely new platforms that support developers worldwide. This is a place where you'll constantly be solving real-world problems, improving scalability, handling massive amounts of data, and using technologies like AI, machine learning, data compression, and NLP. And one thing I really want to highlight, Google is an equal opportunity employer. They are committed to providing a fair and inclusive workplace, and they welcome applications from candidates of all backgrounds. If you need any kind of accommodation during the hiring process, they even provide a dedicated form to support applicants. So that's the full update on Google's software engineer hiring. If you think you're a good fit, make sure to check the link in the description and apply as soon as possible. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn with Anjali for more job updates and career guidance. All the best and go apply today.